Hey everybody, Kelsey here. Another video forecast for Bitcoin today. Now, if you've been following along for the last couple of videos, you probably can see that there is a lot of interesting consistency of the analysis that we say, right, and we bring in. So I just wanted to follow along with you. If you followed yesterday's video, you're probably going to be amazed at this point, like, darn it, it worked out. I explained to you the purple line, right? So the 78.8865 was hit and closed above it, and that immediately produced an immediate profit right there. Targeting and holding specifically. Now let me zoom in because I need you to pay attention to these numbers. These are not vague numbers. These are really meticulously selected and calculated levels using our own methodology. The point is that you can benefit and profit from it on the short-term bias. We already got a couple of guys making a little bit over I think $800 speculating the Bitcoin this overnight session. Once they broke outside that range, that's a profit. We hit, buy the take a look at the high, 81.35.80, and we were calling probably an 88.87. So there's kind of a vague range here. I mean, by 3 points, it's just ridiculously not to call this a outlook that was completely perceived as a potential forecast move. Now the next level is going to be that 83.60.80. Now pay attention that I have a floating order to liquidate just below of it. Okay, not right at it, below of it, because of the spread, right? I'm using simple FX, and that's what we have. Now if you pay close attention to the left bottom side, I'm just giving you a pic of our exclusive proprietary tool that tells you what is the commitment of traders on the overall tendency from weekly and to the lower time frame. So basically green, blue is going up, and this gives us the reassurance that we definitely are going to continue moving further higher. Now don't ask, this is not for sale, it's not available for everybody. It's our own proprietary tool that we develop for ourselves, so we can just gauge precisely with precision when and if those levels that we're predicting into the future, right, based on the price tendency, will have the high probability of being hit, just like what we did on the video that I sent you and yesterday about that 81.38.87. The very next level is going to be that 83.60.80, which is going to bring us a decent amount of profits. Now the other cool thing about all this is now that I can take my stop loss and raise this to the previous session or level that we calculated, just to protect our capital. Okay, so that's a really cool thing, because now I have a visual representation where most likely the commitment of traders shifted from sellers to buyers, and now that resistance will turn into support. Notice how the market went up, came back down, and never actually touched that purple line, right, which is a specific number. It's being rejected, making me feel more confident of placing my stops right below of it, because they being rejected and went through it, right? Resistance on the past turned into support, and they hit this target. Now I'm going for the long weighted target for the at least the 4 weeks that I've been, no, the 2.5 weeks, I'm sorry, that I've been following along that precise level, and probably going to see some breather at that point, a reaction just like this one on the downside. Once I see that, I will take my profits there. I will then use this same techniques, re-enter again, and try to aim for the 91.48 or perhaps even the 10,000 eventually. So the cool thing is the money is on the speculation side. Of course, you buy and hold Bitcoin just like a normal stock. People like to buy and hope for the best. At this point, we would like to capitalize on the short-term period of times, which is 10 times better than anything else that we've seen. All right, so having said that, that's it for now. This is Carlos Diaz. I hope you enjoyed and capitalized on this video. If you have, just subscribe to our channel, subscribe, and let me know if these videos are being helpful or not. We're coming up with the potential of making this a more regular service where we can be a little bit more precise and give you a little bit more insight of how we follow along with this and how we capitalize. This is Carlos Diaz. and I'll see you on the next video.